Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Now, I'm just going to share with you guys this tool that I've been sharing out with my team. And many of you have already seen this tool, but I have been adding to it. But for those of you who haven't seen this tool, this is a complete rebrandable tool set. Okay, kind of a suite of rebrandable books that you can get access to. I mean, I say books, but there's also an email course as well here. But these are all, this is a kind of a library of tools that you can rebrand. All you do is you come in here, and you've got the buttons at the top to manage the tool. But you've got the different books that you can rebrand. Okay, they're PDF books. And what is the purpose of this? Well, it's a generic system that, yes, it's a part of my Leads Leap system, the tool that I'm using to help me generate leads generally. I mean, I've been doing this kind of thing for absolutely years and years, and it really works, guys, because I see a lot of people promoting their primary business on the front end, which is all fine, and that's great. But, if you want to get above the noise and do something a little bit different in order to attract people, because you're struggling in getting people to take you seriously, or getting people to work with you or whatever, or getting signups, then this is just another way. It's a lot easier to send out free, valuable information that basically you own, than it is to pitch people point blank, because they're busy with their business. They've got a lot of distraction going on. They've got other businesses that they're looking at. So, like I say, you've just got to get above that noise, and you've got to be a person of value. It's a lot easier to share out free, valuable information like this, just to get leads, and those leads will gradually warm up to your offer once they know you, because it's all about building that know, like, and trust. And that's just the fact of the matter. It takes time. All right. So when you see people up on the top of the leaderboard in your company, they're not just coming into a company brand new, and then all of a sudden they've got access to some fancy lead generation system or some lead source that's that's just all of a sudden bringing them signups from people that they don't know. They've already created the value. They've already built a team, in the past. They've already spoken to a lot of people. And finally, when they finally join a company like LiveGood or whatever, and they get to the top of the leaderboard, that's because they've already been working with a lot of people over the years and months. I mean, it doesn't have to take that long just to get signups. I mean, you can go straight into someone's inbox, and if you talk to enough people, I guarantee you're going to get signups. Absolutely. I mean, I guarantee you that the majority of the people who moan about not getting signups, I will tell you that they're not just simply not doing enough. It's as simple as that, period. I mean, you could be a complete newbie, never done anything like this before, and you could just simply talk to 20, 30, 50 people, whatever it takes, and I guarantee you will get signups, and you'll go to bronze, you'll go to silver, you'll go to gold. However, most people aren't willing to do that. But how do you get people in front of you so that you could have literally start a conversation with them? Well, this is what I do, and it works. It's not going to happen overnight, but it just helps to get into people's inboxes, provide value rather than just being a complete pain in the ass. Because people are very resistant. If you come into someone's inbox and you start saying, "I've got a business I want to offer you, and it's really great," blah blah blah, most people are not going to listen to you. But if you want to make that connection or be that person of value, even before you've gone into their inbox, they're already asking you for the book. They're already asking you for the report. They're already asking you for more info. So, if you're not on social media and you're not posting on your timeline already, then people are not going to pay much attention to what you're doing. And even if you do start to post on social media and put on posts up and stuff like that, it's going to still take some time for people to really notice that you're a person, to listen to, or a person of value or whatever. But this is just a great way just to get yourself started. You can start generating leads, even if it's a case of generating 2 or 3 leads a day, which is easy. And then, before long, you can start building up a names list, and then you can work with those people. It's a simple, just getting in touch with people, getting enough people to, get in front of people just so you can start a conversation. All right, so let's have a look at this this brander tool. Okay, so let's pick a random rebrander tool. Okay, so this one is how to get signups. Okay, And what you do is you watch the video and you rebrand. You put your LiveGood user ID, you put your LeadSleep ID, download. Now the branders on each page might be different, and people ask me, well, where's the share codes? Well, the share codes are up here. We've already created the share codes in the setup area. Let me just open that up and show you. So the setup area here has the share codes. Now you've probably already imported a share code for a previous brander that I've created. Well, these are the same share codes. You're not going to get unique share codes for every single brander that I create. That would just be way too much work on my part. So it's just easy for you and easy for me, just if you just re-import a brand new fresh template that I've given you. These are templates, guys. They're not done for you necessarily. I mean, it is done for you, of course, but you've got to, LeadSleep has already provided the basic, easy to use editor. The majority of the people who use LeadSleep out there on the internet are simply people who they start from scratch. They use one of the built-in templates. Absolutely. Just because I'm here giving out share codes doesn't mean I'm going to give you share codes for every single, variation of, a funnel that you want to create. So what you do is I've already provided the template, the initial templates. You go in and edit them. All right. And, all you need to do is just to put your mouse over the thing you want to edit, either delete it, or if it's text that you want to edit, you just simply put your mouse cursor in there and type text. This kind of thing doesn't need to have any extra training on, because it's designed for newbies. I mean, it's a platform that's been around since 2008, and most people have just simply used it from scratch. They just pick a template, put their mouse cursor in there, edit it. If they want an image, they simply upload an image. It's really that simple, guys. It's like, if you can use a Word doc, then you can use the drag and drop editor in this editor. It's as simple as that. Anyway, so use the built-in templates here. Just copy them out and watch this video, because this video actually walks you all the way through in setting up a LeadSleep template from scratch, using one of these. So we've already done that, and you can even get more here, and then you can get access to all my other templates here. Plus, you get download follow-up emails, but you can also import them using a share code. You can download the banners here. We've got loads of banners, extra banners, as you can see here. So we've already provided you with everything you need. Okay, hold on a minute. So, and then you've also got more banners over here in the marketing section down here, so you can use this stuff. So anyway, as I say, just pick a brander, okay, and you just use the same share codes to build your funnel. But all you need to do is just simply rebrand your PDF, download it, and then upload it somewhere on the internet, either within LeadSleep itself if you're a pro member, or somewhere like Dropbox, and so that you link to that on your download page, and then create a funnel, stick in a lead capture page in front. Now, you might be thinking I'm just moving up a little along fast, and I am talking to newbies here, guys, because at the end of the day, I've explained all this many times before, and if you just watch these videos at the top here, okay, in going to setup, you'll know how to do this. It's all in the videos. Okay, a lot of people don't actually watch videos, but they're all in here, guys, and everything you need is here. Okay, it's purposely designed to help complete newbies get completely set up with all this. Anyway, just wanted to shoot this video just to let you know what we've got on offer here for the team. And make good use of it, because this works. This absolutely works, guys. It's worked for me. It's evergreen. It never goes outdated. There's a lot of big leaders out there who do all kinds of very complicated, weird things, but this stuff has always worked, and it continues to work. And surprisingly, very few people actually do it. It's one way that you're going to be able to get above the noise, do something a bit unique compared to what most people are doing. And it's just and that's what's required in order to get people to pay attention to what you're doing at the end of the day. Okay, there's a lot of people doing the same old thing, but this just it just equips you with all the tools necessary so that you can attract more people. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this was useful, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.